In this class we will see that SolidWorks allows you to import and export files, working with various extensions and facilitating the exchange of files between different software. Come on, let's go. You can open parts from previous versions of SolidWorks in new versions, keeping the modeling tree with all the features of creating the part. Note this piece, it was created in an earlier version of SolidWorks, which we can verify by positioning the mouse over the save icon. When you save this piece, it will be converted to the 2018 version. We can open files from a newer version of SolidWorks and the previous version with the latest service pack available, but the file will be opened as read and will have limited functions. Unable to open files from recent versions in non-consecutive old versions. In these cases, the solution is to save the part to an alternative extension and open in SolidWorks. However, some information may be lost. We can save as IGES, STEP, SAT, among others. However, the best format for file exchange between SolidWorks from previous versions is Parasolid. In Options we have options for each selected extension, and in the case of Parasolid, we can choose the version to save the piece. We keep the default version, click OK, and then click Save. Now let's open the file by going to File, Open. We select the extension Parasolid, locate the file and click on Open. In a part file, we apply diagnostics import and the command informs us that there were no problems with this file. We confirm and display the Feature Works box asking if we want to recognize the features used in part modeling. By clicking on Options, we can choose whether this recognition will overwrite the current file or be done in a new file. We keep the default settings and click OK and Yes. See that Property Manager offers several options, including we can choose which features should be recognized automatically. Keeping the default options, we confirm. See that the project tree has been rebuilt and we can access the features and even edit them. Note that the original file Parasolid contains only the feature imported one, thus not allowing access to the component's creation characteristics. We can use SolidWorks tools to modify this part, but when saving, the Save As window will open with the part extension selected by default. If we want to create an image of the SolidWorks part, we should save it in JPEG extension or even PDF. Proceeding, we open a part in the DWG extension and see the window shown, where we set the import options. We can create a drawing file or import it into a new part file. We choose the options shown and click Forward. On this screen we can zoom, rotate and move the part, define the unit of measurement and the layers to be imported. Click Finish, choose the part file and the template opens in SolidWorks, showing the imported curves in the Feature Manager. We finish this lesson. where we saw the main ways to import and export SolidWorks files.